Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from BC Group. So in this group, I have me as myself as Atarika Laura Nadia.
And I am Muhammad Iqbal Fauzi.
And I'm Rafanya Tabing.
And I'm Mutera Iksan.
Sasa.
And I'm Eva Satya from Narsing.
Okay. So the first material will be presented by our friend. It's Fauzi. Fauzi, it's your turn.
Okay, now I wanna talk about economic in Southern Africa. In Southern Africa, have a country is Namibia. Namibia have GDP fell to 4.2% in 2020. In 2023 from 5.3% in 2022. Inflation down to 5.9% due to weak demand and demand. The two is Lesotho GDP at 0.9% in 2023 from 1.3% in 2022. Inflation dropped to 6.4% with lower food price. The next is Botswana, GDP at 2.7%. 2023 inflation fell to 5.3%, helped by lower food price. And the next is Eswatini, have a GDP up to 4.8%. In 2023, inflation rose slightly to 5%. And the next is South Africa, have GDP down to 0.6% in 2023, and inflation is to 6% with lower food price.
Okay,
The next is Revanya.
wait. Okay, so I'll explain about a social and political condition in country within the southern African continent. So the first one is Botswana. Botswana has so president of Botswana is both of the head of state and the head of government. Botswana has a party, is the Botswana Democratic Party. And the third one, Botswana is a secular country and religion does not influence the politics of laws of the states. And the last but not least, the judiciary is independent of the executive and legislative branches. Okay. Next is about social and political condition of South Africa. South Africa is a constitutional democracy with a multi-party presidential system. South Africa have an ANC is African National Congress. And the third one is about reports of corruption among government officials frequently emerge. And last but not least is about discrimination against women and those living with HIV and AIDS still exists. Next, about social and political condition in Eswatini. Eswatini is a monarchy country and have an issues about politics, civil activism and labor. And the second one is about and the last one is about human rights and discrimination issues. Next is about Namibia country. Namibia country is a multi-party and multiracial democratic country, and they have a party too. It calls Southwest Africa People's Organization that has been dominant party since independence. And then the last one is about Lesotho. Lesotho is a constitutional monarchy country. I have a politics and security crisis issues, and also have customary and practice and laws issues.
I will explain the general condition and characteristic. Botswana is a landlocked country in Africa covering 224,607 square miles with a population of 2.2 million. Over 70% of its land is the Kalahari Desert, and the majority ethnic group is Sawana, along with Bushmen and Kalanga. Lesotho is a constitutional monarchy with a land area of 30,000 square kilometers and a population of 2.1 million. It has extreme seasonal temperatures with very hot summers and cold winters. Namibia is a multi-party democracy with 3.07 million people. It has a semi-arid climate and is known for natural wonders like Sosufvlei Dunes and Etosha National Park. Eswatini is an absolute monarchy with 1.13 million people. The official language are Swati and English, and the country has a subtropical climate. South Africa is a republic with a diverse climate, semi-arid, subtropical, and Mediterranean. The majority of its people are black, with ethnic groups like the Khoi, San, Xhosa, and Zulu.
And the third
Sasa.
material will be Sasa turn.
Okay. Okay. Next, I will explain the advantage and disadvantage of African country. The first advantage and disadvantage of Botswana. The advantage, the one, strong economy. Botswana has a robust and rapidly growing economy driven largely by diamond mining. 2. Political stability. The country enjoy a long period of political stability, forcing a safe and predictable environment for business and investor. 3. Anti-corruption efforts. Botswana has made a significant strides in combating corruption, promoting transparency and accountability in government. The next, human development. The government has invested heavily in education and healthcare. The last, natural beauty. Botswana boasts stunning natural landscape, including the Okavango Delta and Kobe National Park. The next disadvantage, the one, dependent on diamond mining, high unemployment, income inequality, vulnerability to drug. The last, limited water resources. The two, advantage and disadvantage of Lesotho. Advantage, spectacular natural scenery, known as the kingdom in the sky. Lesotho offers breathtaking mountain landscapes, making it a unique destination for adventure tourists. 2. Clean water and hydropower. Potential. Lesotho has about water resources and potential for hydropower generation. The next is traditional culture. The Lesotho people have a strong culture identitas and traditional. Next, sorry.
No, it's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Next.
It's okay. Next.
Okay, so the next material is what is the opportunity and the menace they all have in this country, in South Africa. So these 5 countries, they had a same potential in their agriculture, but they had a different characteristic. Like in South Africa itself, it has the Kruger National Park, which has made it famous with the abundant wildlife animal. So it invites many tourists to visit this country. And the Namibia country, they are offering their stunning salt desert views in Sozos Vlei and the culture of the Himba tribe that attract the attention of the tourism. And Botswana country, as an ecotourism center, will introduce their own local culture. And Lesotho and Eswatini, they're offering their mountain beauty natures and the interesting cultural festival. So what is the menace they face with? So these 5 countries in South Africa, Namibia, and Botswana. Namibia is the climate change as the menace they face with because it impact on their agricultural productions. And the Lesotho is a small country because they're landlocked and surrounded by the South Africa land, which creates political instability and the slow economic development compared to the other country. And the last country is Eswatini because they face high jobless due to the limited employment, which is made it the main reason behind the high poverty rate. So that's all from us. That's all we can say about to you, Mas. And we say
Yes.
thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.